In previous videos, we discussed how to set up continuous and motion-activated recording. We've also created checklists to help you determine whether you need continuous recording for your home or business. You can find the links in the description. Businesses often handle a lot of customer interactions and operational tasks throughout the day. For instance, you may want to continuously record customer-employee interactions, work performed by employees, and critical operations. This helps document everything and can serve as evidence in case of disputes or incidents. However, continuous recording can consume a significant amount of storage space. That's where motion-triggered recording comes in. Once the business day ends, you don't need to record everything continuously. Instead, switch to motion-triggered recording. This way, you only capture footage when movement is detected, like an intruder entering the facility when no one should be there. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to optimize your costs by switching between continuous and motion-triggered recording, in case you've determined that continuous recording is absolutely necessary for you. This setup is ideal for most businesses that want comprehensive coverage during the day and enhanced security after hours. Let's dive in. Setting this up in Banalytics is easy. First, make sure you have the capture video task configured for your camera. Then, configure motion detection, motion-activated recording, and continuous recording. You'll find all related tutorials in the description. Don't forget to disable the appropriate task based on the time during configuration. Now, let's configure the switch between the two recording modes using the Event Manager. First, create a new rule to automate the transition. In the day mode, which starts at 9 in the morning, we'll stop motion detection and motion-activated recording and switch to continuous recording to record everything during business hours. In night mode, we reverse the process. We'll stop continuous recording and enable motion detection along with motion-activated recording. This way, we only record when there's movement, saving storage space and bandwidth after hours. The rule will automatically run at the specified hour. You won't have to worry about switching recording modes manually. Everything happens automatically based on the time of day. Now, let's set up a dashboard to test your configuration and monitor your property. Simply drag and drop the components you're interested in for quick access. And that's it. Now you know how to balance continuous recording during business hours with motion-triggered recording after hours. This setup not only saves storage space, but also ensures you capture critical moments for security and compliance. Subscribe to learn more.